Hello dear students, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about a cyclization reaction called Bergman cyclization. Bergman cyclization reaction. So this is a reaction of conjugated ene diines. Okay, ene means double bond and ine means triple bond. So the substrate should have one double bond and two triple bond. That should be in a conjugated manner. And these conjugated ene diines gives cyclic aromatic compounds. Under thermal or photochemical conditions in presence of hydrogen radical donor like cyclohexadiene. This is 1,4-cyclohexadiene. So this is a very good hydrogen radical donor. So Bergman cyclization is a reaction of conjugated ene diines under photochemical or thermal condition in presence of hydrogen radical donor 1,4-cyclohexadiene to form cyclic aromatic compounds or aromatic compounds. Let us see one example for this Bergman cyclization. Let us take a simple ene diene. So this is the ene part and this is the diene part, which on thermal condition, temperature is just above 200 degrees Celsius, undergo cyclization and aromatization and we get benzene. So Bergman cyclization is also called a cycloaromatization reaction because this acyclic compound converted into a cyclic as well as an aromatic compound. So this is a cycloaromatization reaction. Now let us see the mechanism. It has a simple mechanism, triple bond. So when it is heated above 200 degrees Celsius, it undergo homolytic fission. So here this bond undergo homolytic fission and this bond also undergo homolytic fission, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 1 and 6th carbon atoms join and we get a cyclic product. Here you have double bond. This is the newly bonded formed sigma bond, and here we have a radical. Here we have a radical. So this is a short-lived intermediate called parabenzene. Okay. So this parabenzene react with the hydrogen donor CHD, cyclohexadiene. Okay, so this here undergo one homolytic cleavage, here undergo one homolytic cleavage. So we get totally 2 radicals and 2 hydrogen radicals get coordinated to these radicals and we get the final product benzene. Along with this cyclohexadiene, after donating 2 radicals, get converted into this diradical and this bond undergo homolytic fission and it converts to benzene. So cyclohexadiene, which contribute hydrogen radical to the reaction, get converted to benzene ring. Okay, aromatization take place to this and we get benzene ring. So this is one example for a Bergman cyclization reaction. Let us take a few examples. Here you have a substituted ene diene which can be converted to a tetra substituted arene compound, Also, you can use the ring strain in cyclic ene diene system. So, here you have an example cyclodeca 1,5-diene 3-ene get converted to an aromatic system, and because this is a strained ring, you can convert this cyclic ring system to the product by just applying 37 °C, and this CHD get converted to benzene ring. So, these are two examples for Bergman cyclization reaction, and thank you.